Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Talk in English channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and natural. I'm Anna.
And hello, everyone. It is great to be here with you all. I'm Jake.
Hi, Jake. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Anna. And you look very happy today.
I am very happy. I am really excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes, it is a very good topic. Actually, it is a very important topic.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click that red subscribe button and please give this video a big like. Also, share this podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, Jake, are you ready to start?
I am born ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is tell me about yourself.
The classic question. People ask this all the time.
They really do. In a new class, at a job interview, or when you meet new people at a party.
It is true, and honestly, sometimes it is hard to know what to say.
Yes, people get nervous. So today we will talk about it. We will make it easy, simple, and fun.
That sounds perfect. So who starts, you or me?
How about you start, Jake? Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn first. Where do I start? Let's start with the easy one. My name is Jake. Jake.
Nice to meet you, Jake. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. So next question for the introduction. Where are you from?
Ooh, good one. I am from Canada.
Canada. Wow, nice.
And you? Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
The United States. Very cool. Do you live in a big city there?
No, actually, I live in a small town. I like it because it is quiet. What about you, Anna?
I am the opposite. I live in a big city. It is very busy and very noisy, but I love the energy.
That is great. A small town and a big city. We are very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It is a small house, but it has a garden.
A garden. I love gardens.
Me too. What about you?
I live in an apartment.
Is it a big apartment?
No, sadly, it is a small apartment, but it is very cozy and nice. I like it.
Good. Being comfortable is important. Okay, so we have name, where you are from, and where you live. What is next?
How about how old are you, Jake, if you don't mind saying?
Not at all. I am 28 years old.
28. Okay.
And you, Anna, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
25. That is a very good age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, so now for the big question.
I am ready. Ask me.
What do you do, Jake?
I am a teacher.
A teacher, of course. You are a teacher here on the Talk in English channel.
Yes, exactly. I am an English teacher and I love my job. Helping people is wonderful.
That is great to hear.
What about you, Anna? What do you do?
I am currently a student.
A student. Nice. What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint pictures.
Wow, art. That is so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love it. It is very fun and creative.
I can see that. An art student and an English teacher. We are a perfect team for this podcast.
I agree. Love it. Okay, let's see what we have. Name, place, age, and job. What else can we talk about to describe ourselves?
Let's talk about family.
Okay, family is a great topic. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Jake?
Yes, I do. I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah? That is a beautiful name. Is she older or younger than you?
She is younger than me. She is actually a student, just like you.
Oh, really? What does she study?
She studies music. She plays the piano very well.
Wow, a music student. That is so creative.
Yes, my family's very creative. My mother is a writer.
A writer. That is amazing. And your father?
My father is a doctor.
A doctor. Wow. You have a very nice family, Jake.
Thank you. Now, Anna, tell me about your family. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Tom, is he older or younger?
He is older. He is 29.
Oh, so he is 1 year older than me.
Yes.
And what do your parents do?
My mother is a teacher too. She teaches little children.
Oh, that is a very important job. Wonderful.
Yes, and my father is a chef. He works in a big restaurant.
A chef. Does he cook for you at home?
Yes, the food is always delicious.
I am so jealous. That sounds amazing. So we have family. Now, how about pets?
Pets? Yes, I love pets. Do you have a pet, Jake?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. I love dogs. What is his name?
His name is Max. He is very friendly and very funny.
Oh, Max. What color is he?
He is brown, a small brown happy dog.
That sounds so cute. I really want to meet Max one day.
Maybe one day he can come to the studio. Do you have a pet, Anna?
Yes, I have a cat.
A cat. See, we are different again. A dog person and a cat person.
It is true. Her name is Luna.
Luna, that is a lovely name. What does she look like?
She is black and white. She's very quiet and very sleepy.
A sleepy cat. That sounds normal for a cat.
Yes, she sleeps all day. It is a good life.
It certainly is. Okay, so we know a lot now. Name, age, job, family, pets. Now let's talk about things we like, our favorites.
Good idea. This is the fun part. Let's start with food.
Yes. Okay, Anna, what is your favorite food?
This is a difficult question. I like many foods.
Just choose one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is pasta.
Pasta. A great choice. Very yummy.
Yes, I love it. What about you, Jake? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza, of course. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pepperoni pizza, a classic.
Good choice. I like vegetable pizza with peppers and onions.
That sounds healthy. Okay, next favorite thing. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green, like the trees and the grass in a garden.
Exactly. I love the color of nature.
What is your favorite color, Jake?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky on a sunny day.
Blue is a very nice, calm color. I like it.
Thank you. Okay, what is next? Favorite animal?
Oh, this is easy for me. My favorite animal is a cat.
Because of Luna.
Yes, they're so elegant. What about you? Is your favorite animal a dog?
Yes, absolutely. Dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them.
Okay, let's move on to hobbies, the things we do for fun.
Great topic. What are your hobbies, Anna?
Well, I am an art student, so my hobby is painting, of course.
Do you paint a lot?
Yes, every weekend. It helps me relax. I also like to read books.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite.
Adventure stories. How exciting.
It is. What about you, Jake? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I love listening to music.
Music. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like rock music, old rock music.
Ah, very cool. And what else?
I also like to play sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
Soccer. You are very active.
I try to be. It is fun to run and play with friends.
That is great. Do you like to watch movies too?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too. Laughing is the best. I like comedy movies and also animated movies.
Animated movies are great. They have so much imagination.
Yes, they are beautiful to watch too. Wow, Jake, we are learning so much about each other.
I know. It is like we are answering, "Tell me about yourself" right now.
Yes, we are. We are giving a very long answer.
A very, very long answer. Let's think. What else?
Hmm, we can talk about things we don't like.
Ooh, that is interesting. Dislikes. Okay. What is a food you don't like, Anna?
A food I don't like. Let me think. I do not like spicy food, very hot food.
Oh, I see. For me, I love spicy food.
Really? No, thank you. What is a food you don't like, Jake?
I do not like olives.
Olives? Really? I like olives.
See, we are different again. I just don't like the taste.
Okay, what about an activity you don't like?
I don't like to wait in long lines.
Does anyone like that? I don't think so. It is so boring.
I agree. And I also don't like to wake up very early.
Are you not a morning person?
No, not at all. I like my sleep.
I understand completely. Sleeping is very important.
So this is a good way to describe yourself. You can say what you like and what you don't like.
Yes, that is a very good point. It shows your personality. For example, hello, my name is Jake. I am a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives.
That is a great introduction. And you could say, hi, I'm Anna. I'm a student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like spicy food.
Perfect. It is simple, clear, and friendly.
I think we have covered a lot today. Name, from, live, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes and dislikes.
Wow, that is a very good list for tell me about yourself. But listeners, you don't need to say everything at one time.
Oh no, that is a good tip. You can choose. Maybe just say your name and your job.
Yes, or your name and your hobby. It depends on the situation.
If you are in a class, maybe you say your name and why you are learning English.
Exactly. You can say, my name is Anna. I am from Canada. I like to learn new things.
And if you are at a party, you can say, hi, I'm Jake. I love to play soccer and listen to music.
That is a great way to start a conversation.
It is. The person can then ask, oh, what music do you like? And a new friendship begins.
It all starts with the question, tell me about yourself.
It really does. It is not a scary question. It's an invitation.
An invitation to share a little bit about you. That is a beautiful way to think about it.
I think it has been very nice to learn more about you, Anna.
Me too, Jake. I learned you are a teacher who loves pizza and blue, and you have a friendly dog named Max.
And I learned you are an art student who loves pasta and green, and you have a sleepy cat named Luna. It was a very successful conversation.
Yes, and I hope it was helpful for all our listeners.
I hope so too. Remember, guys, you can use these simple sentences to talk about yourself.
Yes, don't be afraid. Keep it simple and be friendly. That is the most important part.
That is the perfect advice. A smile is very important too.
Always. Well, Jake, I think our time is almost up for today.
Wow, time goes faster when you are having fun.
It really does. This was a great chat.
It was. So before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a little favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Talk in English channel, and give this episode a big thumbs up. It really helps people find our podcast.
And please, please share it with anyone who is learning English. We want to help as many people as we can.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Yes, go to the comment section below and tell us about yourself.
You can write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my name is your name. I am from your country. Or I like your hobby. Or my favorite food is your food. Anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
Yes, it will be so much fun. Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure.
Stay safe and keep practicing. We will be back soon with another fun episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.